Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the chip so you know what to fix and why. Once you see if primer or raw wall is exposed, you can choose filler. Use a utility knife to undercut flaking edges, then clean dust and grease with a damp cloth. Make sure the surface is dry. Lightly sand around the chip to create tooth, and measure the area so your putty volume matches. This initial prep ensures adhesion and prevents peeling later. Once filled and sanded, you move to priming and paint matching because adhesion and color blend depend on this layer. Apply a thin coat of stain-blocking primer only over the repair. Make sure edges feather into existing paint. After the primer cures, test your matched paint on a scrap card. If needed, thin the paint slightly for better flow. Use small brush strokes and work from center out. This method reduces visible seams and builds You finish by applying thin, controlled coats. Start with one thin coat and allow full drying time, then assess coverage. Make sure to feather the paint into the surrounding finish so transitions disappear. Use the same sheen level for a seamless look. If texture differs, lightly stipple or roll to match. Once satisfied, remove tape while paint is tacky for a clean edge, then clean tools. If you see lifting or poor adhesion, stop and reprime that spot before repainting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.